Ted.
Hey YouTubers, welcome to my channel. My name is Ted and I'm excited to get started showing you all about app design. On the channel, I will be posting videos about designing and developing apps using tools such as Figma, FlutterFlow, and Adobe's Creative Suite. We will start simple and move forward at an easy-to-follow pace, looking at all the little niggly details involved. I'm aiming to publish a new video each week. In this first season, we will look at how to build out a simple recipe app, covering topics including getting set up with FlutterFlow and creating our first data collection in Firebase. If this sounds like it's your kind of thing, be sure to like and subscribe. I look forward to seeing you all in the next episode. Be sure to join me then.